Alright, so the Supra is finally painted and I got it home and I got a couple of service items for it. So I was just going to replace the spark plugs. And as I'm pulling these leads off, they're just disintegrating in my hands. Like, just breaking, and the guts are falling out of them. Look at this, it all just stayed behind with the plug. It's just not great. Let's see if we can get this one off. So the clip down in there, this part of the clip in here where you actually release it is just missing completely, so we can just slide this straight back. Oh, there it is, just how it snap. Ah, come on. I'm just trying to do this really carefully as to not break it worse than it can be. And look at that, nothing left. Just gone. Completely destroyed. This is so incredibly frustrating. So it looks like this will be back to anyone that mostly survived. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And this is pretty much what the rest of them look like. Like that. There's nothing holding the pins. So with any luck I'll be able to get the pins back in and we can still run the car, but I'm definitely going to have to find some new plugs of these and just repin them. Hopefully that's easy enough. We'll have to see. Just taking a break from dealing with those broken bloody spark plug parts and coil parts to drain some fluids. It's taking a little longer than I'd hoped with the water, but I really don't want to make that much of a mess. So we'll just keep waiting. Got a bit of a surprise when I took the upper radiator hose off, which was sagging down and almost hitting this belt. Look down there, we've got a fancy looking harmonic balancer. I have no idea what brand it is. I assume it got done when the engine got rebuilt, but it looks pretty flash. Just to try and get as much of the oil out as I can. It's like it's almost done. Probably got another half a litre out doing that. So I just pulled the spark plug out, and it is incredible how much oil is on the outside of it. There's nothing on the tip, so it's just the rocker covers leaking or someone spilling oil when they fill it up, but it's incredible. I imagine the rest of this end, some of this crap that's on the edges has just gone straight into the cylinder, which is awesome. But I mean, God, how is there that much in there? It's insanity. Alright, despite all the bullshit that went on today, I managed to get it going. So I'm bleeding up the cooling system now. The zip tie job I had to pull off to get this electrical cord to hold on. Looks like I managed to get them all connected without too much trouble, so I'll ring up Toyota tomorrow and see what I can figure to get some new ones. But other than that, it's running nicer than ever, and it fired up really nicely, so those plugs must have been a little bit old. But the whole, there's a bit of a stutter. The whole rocker cover, both sides of the rocker cover were loose for each rocker cover, so I had to go through and tighten all of them, which took a little while. And yeah, other than that, the car seems relatively happy. So it was a puff of smoke when it started, but it's dissipated now. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get it on the trailer and get it registered tomorrow. Alright, my new front lip just arrived. Alright, so I got the alternator out. So today we've slammed this Suzuki Sierra